Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Instagram notes. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application, and then you simply need to click on the messenger icon on the top right, and here you need to click on the plus icon on the note, and here you can see an option of music. Click on that, and here you can see different music. You can browse here as well, and if you want you can search music as well. So let me select this music, and you can add music here by scrolling that part you like and click on tick mark. So here you can see that music is add, and if you want you can share your thoughts, and then you simply need to click on share. So this is the process by which you can share music in Instagram notes. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.